Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be making hibiscus flower drink. So here are my ingredients. I've got my hibiscus flower, I've got ginger, I'm going to be using cinnamon sticks, I've got 2 oranges, some cloves, I'm going to be including pineapple as well as cucumber. So the next thing to do now is to pour the hibiscus into the cold water and rinse it thoroughly. As you can see, I've already finished washing it and now I'm transferring it into the pot. The next part is to peel in the pineapple and cut it into chunks, as well as the rest of the ingredients. After cutting the pineapple, I will transfer it into the pot, and now I'll be cutting the oranges as well as the cucumber. Cut the orange into chunks and add it to the pot. Set the pot aside and now cut the cucumber into chunks as well. Now I'm adding the cucumber into the pot. Then I'll move in to dice my ginger. I'll add into the pot as well, and then add the rest of the ingredients, which are the cloves and the cinnamon stick. I'll add a lot of water and bring it to boil for about 30 minutes. The content is really boiling well. In a while, I'm going to bring it out from the heat and set it aside to cool for an hour before straining it. Now I'm going to strain the hibiscus drink into a clean bowl. Final part of this recipe is to add in the remaining of the ingredients, which are sugar as well as natural flavor. I've got pineapple flavor over here and I'm going to be using brown sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, or you can use sweetener. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the pineapple flavor and add in the sugar and mix together. My hibiscus drink is now ready, and I have served this with ice cube. You can garnish it with lemon or slice of cucumber and enjoy this beautiful drink with your families and friends. It's really good for this summer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.